If you're tired of rice and semo, you should go for this recipe that I'm about to share with you guys in today's video. The first ingredient we are going to make use is ripe plantain. You can use as many as you want. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to use my potato. You can use your Irish potato or any potato of your choice. And I'm going to use my gizzard. This is chicken gizzard, and this is my spring onions. So what I will do next is to cut all my ripe plantain this way. This is how you should cut it. You really want it to come out good. Since when I've been making this for my family, they love this so much. They will ask for it over rice. So this is what it looks like after cutting everything. Then I'm going to add salt, and I will let it sit for about 5 or 4 minutes. Then I'll go on and fry it. Then I will surely take my potato and I will peel everything and I will cut it into pieces. So this is what my cut potato or diced potato or sliced potato look like. So I will go on and add my salt and I will add my sugar. I will add 1 spoon of sugar followed by my curry powder and I will mix everything together. The reason I added sugar is because potato don't have any sweetness or like any sweet in it at all. But to get this like yummy recipe, you surely need to add 1 spoon of sugar. Then I will take my plantain, I will fry it in the oil. If you want your plantain to be tasty, add your salt and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Let the salt melt together and you fry it. Yeah. So I'll go on and add my curry powder while frying my plantain. This is the logic. Oh my goodness. Like this food is so yummy. So while frying my plantain and getting my potato done, I will go on and take my chicken gizzard. I will wash it well. I will first parboil it, then I will wash the water out, and I will now add the seasoning. Like I use gizzard and some other meats. Yeah. So I'm trying to add my Maggi, my salt, my onions. I added spring onions, then I added small water because I want my seasoning to get inside my gizzard. Like I don't need too much water in it. So while getting everything done together, I will go on and fry my stew. Oh my goodness. Like I will fry my stew. The way I'm talking in this video, you know that that food is so like I will take this over rice. I will take this food over semo, sincerely speaking. So I added blended pepper to the fried onions. What I blended are tomatoes, onions, habanero pepper. If you like it spicy, use habanero pepper. If you don't like it spicy, add black pepper. Then I will go on with my seasoning, curry powder, salt, Maggi. So I'll mix it together. I will let it fry for some minutes. Then I will add all what I've been frying since. So I prefer this gizzard and I will add my plantain and my potatoes. Please give this a try and come and thank me later. Come and tell me thank you. Like I would choose this over semo. I will choose this over rice. You can use it to eat your what's it called, yam, your yam, your rice, your spaghetti, your pasta, like anything at all. Like, and I added some spring onions, to give it some good vibe and good scent and good taste. So this is the recipe I feel like I should show you guys. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to try it out, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share it out, let many people see this recipe, because many people are tired of rice and more every time. And yeah, just to decorate with some spring onions. And yeah, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Please and please subscribe to my channel, help me to share it out, and bye.